Okay, let's look at how to use functions. You can define the function once, then you can use it again. So let's say define, that DEF stands for defining function. Let's say square. We call it as a parameter, so we have one parameter number. So function started here. It has only one statement. Okay, return number square 2. So in this case, if we say square 7, okay, that's a numeric value. That's going to give us 49. Okay, and this case, of course, you can use with the decimal point 2.5, for example, and say 6.25. So you can define the functions with DEF and then name of the function. Sometimes you have a parameter, that number we call it as parameter. So here is the 1, scale of 2. So this is the same as a 7 scale of 2. Okay, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, okay, scale of 2. So that's why it has 6.25. That's all. Thank you.